As we know, manufacturing precision and quality are often compromised by factors such as component deviations, fixture stability, welding deformation, and human error. H1 Pro delivers an incredible 120 FPS and 4.4 million points per second in wired mode. When used with a scale bar, it achieves a volumetric accuracy of 0.050 mm plus 0.02 mm per meter. This ensures an industrial-grade precision even for large-scale projects. But how does it perform wirelessly? Let's find out. Now we'll process a scanned model and check the results after mesh. This is the deviation map of the car side frame in Control X. Most areas are within tolerance, with only minor deviations visible. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.